take this cover off. Use a T30 socket. Take these two bolts out. There's these little clips down here. Just use a screwdriver. Just get under the clip. Just put a little pressure. And this cover slides right up. Now grab the coil. There's a little ratchet right here. Just slide that ratchet up and then disconnect the connector. You can grab the coil. Just twist it back and forth a little and it'll slide right out. If you want to, you can put a little dielectric grease on the end of it, although it has a little trace of dielectric on there already. Now slide the coil in place, down on the plug. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. Then you can do the same with the other ones. Now take this cover, line it up, make sure the wire goes right in that area. Lock it down in place, put the two screws in, and tighten those down.